Hi, welcome to my latest video, Jonny Gios Photography. Please like and subscribe this channel, that would be greatly appreciated. Today I've received a DJI Mini 2. I thought that I would go for the drone. I've been looking at it for a while. It's had some good reviews. I've watched a few here on YouTube, so I thought, let's go for it. So here goes. We're going to open the box and see what's inside and what you get with this combo version. Isn't it just satisfying taking this, like this wrapping off? I don't know about you, but I certainly feel satisfying. So open it up and see it's already in its bag. An empty box. Nice little ticket and some jangly. Is that the strap? It's a strap. Open it up. Wow. So we have something straight away in this bit. Oh, there's like propellers and props, all spare parts in the top there. Close that back up. And is the drone? It's tiny. It's tiny. Where's my phone? This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. my phone's bigger than the drone. That's bonkers when it's folded up. That is just amazing how I didn't think that it was that small. That is tiny. And wow. That's going to be amazing. So you've got your drone, and then you have your controller. Controller that looks a bit like, I don't know, an Xbox controller just without the bottom cut out. So the controller, and then we've got some accessories. What's in here? Oh my word. Right, plug, charger, connector cables for the controller, batteries and battery charger. Yeah. So this is the battery. Once I get out of its cover, and it's got two batteries in there, and one battery's already in the drone. It's not like you're missing your battery. It's a USB-C type adapter. It's also got a power bank, so it's got an extra USB port on it, so you can charge your phone. And the USB lead goes into the back of the white adapter there. It has annoying plastic that is wrapped around it, around the plug, and it was really kind of tricky to get off because it's so tightly wrapped, and I couldn't get any purchase on it to actually get it off. But yeah, I don't really know why they do that. Anyway, this bit's boring, so I'm going to skip it. So you do get extra leads depending on what sort of phone you have, whether it's an Apple phone or whether it's an Android device. So there is other options for you to connect different phones, and you can also connect an iPad as well with a bit of a longer lead. So you get your controller, you get the batteries and the charger, you get the leads, you get a carry case, you also get the drone itself. Let's take it for a fly. Let's go. Okay, so this was the first time that I've ever flown the Mini 2, and I got a hold of it pretty quickly. So this is a quick shot. This is Rocket. So I want to show you what they all are. So this is Rocket. It didn't go up as quickly as I thought it would do, but I think you can set it so it does go faster, and obviously you can set it to a limit as well, and you can't go over 400 feet. This one is circle, so obviously states the obvious. It actually circles around you once you kind of highlight your cells on the picture. It takes you through the guide of how to do it, and then you press start. It will just basically circle around you and then finish where it started off. This next one is helix, and so it does circle, but as it circles it increases in height as well, so you can get a really dramatic shot by doing this, especially if you're on top of the mountain and getting the background in. It'll really add some really dramatic cinematic footage. Obviously this is just set in a field in Kendal at the back of where I live. So that's helix, and this one is Jonny, and it just goes away from you. I didn't set it going too far on this occasion because I still wanted to keep an eye on it, and I think that's where I paused it. But that's Jonny, and then this was just a manual flight, flying away from the tree, but also flying to the tree to give that effect of focusing in on that tree, but with the background of the hills and the Lake District behind. So really kind of simple to use. I thought I'd really struggle. I thought it would take me many more attempts to get to this point. So I'm loving it so far. I went through 1.5 batteries and I flew it for about 45 minutes, and yeah, just love it, and I can't wait to get back out. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.